Show plate, soup spoon, fish knife, dinner knife, bread plate, butter knife, dinner fork, fish fork, dessert spoon, dessert fork, cup and saucer with teaspoon. Goblet water, red wine glass, white wine glass. Excuse me, sir. Welcome to UC Restaurant. Do you have a reservation? Yes, sir. May I know your name? Dino Kodyaman, sir. Alright, Mr. Dino Kodyaman, give me a minute to check your reservation. Okay. Alright, Mr. Kodyaman, your reservation has been confirmed. You are on table 12. This way, please. Excuse me, sir. Here's your table. It's comfortable for you? Yes. Excuse me, sir. May I lay your napkin? Okay, sure. Excuse me, sir. Do you want some warm water or ice cold water? Ice cold water, please. Excuse me, sir. Here's your ice cold water. Excuse me, sir. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Gio, your food server for today. Excuse me. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Do you want some bread rolls?
Yes, please.
Do you want some more?
No, thanks.
Enjoy, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. I would like to present to you our food menu for your food selection. If you like a soup and chicken and salad, I will suggest to you our promotion for today, which is a soup. The soup is made from chicken broth, and the chicken is grilled chicken and fully marinated. And the salad is made from full romaine lettuce with a grilled red onion with a warm lemon dressing. How about our red wine for your main course? Do you want to avail?
Yes.
To complete your meal, we have dessert, which is chocolate cake. Do you want to avail? How about a fresh brewed coffee? Alright, sir, I take your order if you are ready. Excuse me.
Okay.
Your order is delivered for 20 minutes, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Here's your soup. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done? Can I click your plate? Sure. Excuse me, sir. Here's your soup. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done? Can I clear your plate?
Okay, sure.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your crystal sparkling wine made from 100% natural. This bottle is 500 ml with a 7% alcohol content. Can I open it first for you?
Okay, sure.
Here's the crystal. Do you want to taste it first?
Okay, sure.
Do you want some more?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Cut. Excuse me, sir. Here's your salad. Enjoy, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Are you done to your plate? Can I clear your plate?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Pause. Close mo.
Post mo aking. Excuse me, sir. Are you done to your sparkling wine?
Yes.
Can I clear it?
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. This is your red wine made from 100% natural. This bottle is 600 ml with a 13% alcohol content. Can I open it for you, sir?
Okay, sure.
Do you want to taste it first, sir?
Yes.
Do you want some more?
Yes, please.
Alright, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Here's your main course, which is grilled chicken.
Thank you.
Enjoy, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your main course, which is grilled chicken.
Thank you.
Enjoy, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done? Can I take your plate?
Okay, sure.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done to your red wine?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
clear? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your dessert. Enjoy. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Here's your freshly brewed coffee. Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill. Alright, sir. I receive 1,400 pesos. Please wait for your cash in the receipt. Excuse me, sir. Here's your change in your receipt. Thank you, sir. Lalaan mo siya dito. Thank you for coming, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.